Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. So as discussed in the last class, we have seen various types of fractions and their representations in pictorial diagrams and number lines. So today we will be discussing problems on fractions starting from addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and few of the real life examples, questionnaire type problems on fractions. So let's begin. So, beginning with the addition of fractions, let's see these simple problems first. So, here in the first question, we have 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. We observe that the fractions have the same denominators. That means it's very simple. You just have to add the numerators by a common denominator. So, it becomes 6 by 3. Further simplifying, it will become 3 ones are and 3 twos. So the answer is 2 for this. Moving on to this, we see that the denominators are different. In cases with addition and subtraction, if you have different denominators, you will have to take LCM. LCM is only taken for addition and subtraction and not multiplication and division. Do keep this point in mind. So as the denominators are different here, let's take the LCM for the denominators 9 and 3. So doing that, we'll get that the LCM is 3 3's 9. So I'll have to make the denominators same as 9. So what I'll do is 7 by 9 is already there for the first fraction. So I'll do a into 1 plus 1 by 3. 9 in 3 table is 3 threes. Okay. 7 ones plus 3 ones are 3 by 9. Now the denominators are same. So our further step would be just to add the numerators. So it is 10 by 9. Now 10 by 9, we have the denominator lesser than the numerator. That means this is an improper fraction. So this can be written as mixed fraction. So the value in mixed fraction would be 1 by 9 for this. Moving on further with the third one, we have three different denominators 5, 7 and 4. So LCM would be So LCM would be 5 into 7 into 4, 35 fours. It's 140. Okay, now as we had seen that the LCM for this is 140, I'll have to make all the denominators as 140. Let us see where is 140 lying in 5, 7 and 4 multiples. Okay, so 140 divided by 5 is 5 into 28 plus 6 by 7 into 20 into 20 plus 3 by 4 into 35 and into 35. So we have made the denominators equal as 140 now. For further calculation, we just have to add the numerators. So it's 12L by 140 plus 120 by 140 and 105 by 140. Okay, now we just have to add the numerators and write the answer. So 120, 112 and 105. This becomes 337 by 140. This is again improper. You can classify or simplify into more mixed fraction if you want. So now we have mixed fractions also for addition. Let's see how will we solve them. But before that, this is a proper fraction plus improper fraction. Let's do. Before that, we see that the numerators are different and the denominators are also different. So when denominators are different, we'll have to go with LCM of the denominators. So 2 and 9, LCM for 2 and 9 is 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. So I'll have to make the denominators as 18. This becomes 81 by 18 plus 4 by 18. This is 85 by 18. As you can see, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That means it is a improper fractions. You can also convert them into mixed fraction. So let's see the second problem, which is already in the form of mixed fraction. We'll have to convert them into improper fraction, then do LCM if the denominators are different and solve them. So this is 2, 2 by 7. That means 2 into 7 is 14 plus 2 is 16. This is 16 by 7 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13 by 4. 7 and 4. LCM of 7 and 4 would be 28 because there is nothing in common between them. So it's 28. We'll have to make the denominators as 28. So I'll multiply by 4 here and with 7 here. 16 4 64 plus 13 7 is 91 and this is 28. So the answer is 155 by 28 for this. If you further divide, you'll get the answer again in mixed fraction. Moving on to this will become 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7 by 6 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11 by 2. 2 and 6, LCM of 2 and 6 would be 6. 3 into 2 is 6. So I'll have to make the denominator same, into 1 plus 11 by 2 into 3 into 3. So 7 plus 33 by 6. This would be 40 by 6 is the answer. Okay, moving on to subtraction of the fractions. It's the similar way. The one thing we'll have to do is instead of add, we'll have to subtract, and you would have to do LCM if the denominators are not same. Remember, addition and subtraction, you have to do LCM if the denominators are not equal, and in case of multiplication and division, it's different. You do not have to do LCM in multiplication and division. So moving on with this, we have denominators 10 and 9. That means we will have to do the LCM. So LCM is 10 into 9, 90. So I'll make the denominators same. This becomes 27 minus 20 by 90. And the answer is 7 by 90 for this. So here we have mixed fraction. We need to convert into improper fraction and then solve it. So it is 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 minus 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. 3 and 5. LCM would be 15 because there is nothing in common. So 17, 3 into 5 into 5 minus 5 into 3 into 3. 17 5s is 85 and 16 3s is 48 by 15. So 85 minus 48 is 37 by 15.